So, carrying on in the theme of using scraps from around the shop to make projects, we've got this dice that we tacked up a while back as a bit of a welding project, ready to go, ready to be finished off with the welding now and then finished. But we thought we'd turn that into a light sculpture. So we've got some parts here for a base, and they're all cut out of 3mm scrap plate that's been lying around in the shop for a while, and a small post there that the dice is going to stand on. So what we'll do is get these parts tacked together, and then we'll show you how it all comes together as a little light sculpture and a little welding project. These pieces will form a base. There's an end upright, some side pieces, and then the main part of the base. So all this will form a small box, and inside that box will go the battery, the contacts, and the switch. There's an upright that the dice will stand on, which will be formed from 4 pieces, 2 side pieces, and some end plates, and that will get welded together and then shaped into a nice smooth round upright, and the dice will attach to the top of that, and we can run some power on the LED up inside it. So here are some contacts for the battery. That's made from some brass strip and some PTFE to insulate, and then there's a small steel base that we'll weld onto the inside of the base box. Similarly for a switch, very simple switch, but the aim of this project was to make everything from things we had lying around. So there's a simple switch, and then again that's on an insulated plate, and we'll wire all of that together with the 9-volt battery to power the LED. So here's the dice sculpture now tacked up. The base is all of the parts we showed you earlier. That's all just tacked together at the moment with the upright. We put the dice just on the top there. Not sure yet whether we're going to put it on that way round or put it onto a point. Put it one of the corners rather than put it onto the edge like that. But that's the general arrangement. So we've got the base, and I'll show you underneath the base in a second. Then there's an upright that's hollow, and then the dice itself sitting on the top of the sculpture. So that's kind of how we've got things arranged at the moment. Whether it ends up like that, we shall see as we carry on putting it together. So underneath the base there is space for battery, a bit of wiring, and some fittings for switches, and that's fairly straightforward. And then the upright, which we will weld and then sculpt, that's just a hollow centre down the middle there to run the wiring up for the LED that will sit underneath the dice to light it up. And here we are welding up the corners of the dice using plenty of filler material to make sure we've got plenty to grind back to a nice smooth radius finish. So here we are with the dice welded up. I'm just cleaning off some of the welds to grind it all back to a smooth finish. So after plenty of grinding, polishing and finishing, here is the completed light sculpture. I'm going to give it a coating of protective oil to make sure that it stays in a nice shiny and pristine condition. So this is the type of LED that we put inside the sculpture. It runs up inside the hollow channel here, up into the dice. And we put a couple of those in there. They're colour changing LEDs, so they run from the 9-volt battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's lots more coming on this channel. Catch you in the next one.